Hey guys, welcome back to Southern Balance. This is Sam. Today we're visiting with our friend Ingrid over here at Carcamo Gadgets. She's at Traders Village in booth 147. So we're going to visit with her and let her show us around her store. So say hi, Ingrid. Tell us what you got.
Hello. I'm in space number 147 at Traders Village. We do have accessories for phones. We do temper glasses and everything you need for your phone.
Show us around inside. Let's see what you got.
As you can see, we have accessories for all your phones, iPhones. We have for the every kind, out of boxes, regular wallets.
So if somebody just comes out here and they tell you what phone they have,
yes.
you have a selection for them?
Yes.
Okay.
And then I have for the Samsung, I have some selections on this side too.
Okay. Okay, there's a pretty good amount of colors up there too.
Yes.
Okay, do you always have a pretty good inventory? Do you always have a lot in stock?
Yes, we do. We do try.
Okay.
If they have something new, I'm always able to look for it, and then I find them for them.
Okay. What about the glass, the screen protectors and stuff like that?
Yes, I have glass. I have tempered glasses, and I have plastic.
Okay.
Whichever one the people like.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you install them? Do the customers?
Yes, I do.
Oh, you do
when
install
they
them.
buy the cell phone and the tempered glass, I do put it on for them.
Okay.
And then we work out the prices. We give them discounts as they buy more.
Okay.
You get more discounts.
Okay. Do you have a Facebook or a website or anything?
We do have we just barely opened a Facebook page.
Okay. What is that?
Carcamo Gadgets.
Okay. Carcamo Gadgets.
Yes, and then they can find us just with that name.
Okay, that's fine. What do you have on the other side of the shop over here?
We do have we brought some stuff from Guatemala. Like we have sandals from Guatemala. And then we bring them like every other month.
Okay.
Send us selections with stuff.
Okay.
We also have purses and some clothing.
Oh, I see. You sure did. Okay. That's good. And do you always get like a pretty good inventory? You always have good colors on things?
Yes.
Nice purses up there too.
And handmade.
Oh yeah. Well,
All that's handmade.
Oh wow, that's very impressive. The bags too are handmade? Or
Bags too, yes.
Oh wow. That's cool. Okay, so all of this is from Guatemala?
Yes.
That's very cool. Look over here. Okay. Some nice shoes in there.
And then we have like a bracelet. This one you can add your name on it.
Okay.
And we have like a different colors and designs.
Okay. Is that what they call friendship bracelets? I have no idea actually.
No, not really. But that one is, we bring them from Guatemala.
Okay.
And then we have those bracelets. They're very popular.
Okay, that's cool. Now you have some really nice stuff. It's very colorful.
Yes.
Oh, and you even have these water bottle covers
holders,
here. Yeah, the holders. Yeah.
And then we also have some clothes like sports.
Where is it? Oh, right here. Okay, I see that. Okay. Okay, you always have a pretty good selection of colors and sizes on these too?
Yes.
Okay. This is really nice. Oh, what about the hats?
Between like $10 to $12, so it's not like...
Okay. What about these hats over here? Show us these hats.
We have these. We just bring them some umbrellas because it's very sunny, hot outside, and then we have like different selections of hats.
Okay. Well, these are nice.
You work in the grass or the yard.
Yeah, I actually like these right here.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So guys, come out and visit Ingrid. She's at Carcamo Gadgets. Carcamo Gadgets. Yes. I'm sorry. In booth 246 on 147 on 7th Street and Central at Traders Village.
First Street and Central.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Come visit her. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, guys. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Bye.